What's up, Tech family? This is Josh Tech, and I must admit that this one is number one by a landslide because this has helped me become very successful this year as a front end developer. The app that I want to mention is Notion. Notion is a note taking software and project management software, and it's just basically used for note taking. And Notion has so many great features for developers because they have a system where it actually like tailors your code to the specific programming language, which is so nice. And it just does everything that I needed to get done when it comes to taking my own notes. So I would say this app is very, very useful for me. And I'm going to show you all some examples, like my terminal basics. Like, this is what a little snippet of what I use and what I can remember, as well as like for me studying like CSS, like being able to just use this and being able to understand like examples of what I'm using. And it's just been such a helpful tool in regards to just me being a better developer overall. And also, like, if you like a website, for example, like this, you can scroll down and you can be able to see exactly how they had it on their website. You can enlarge it so you can see it even more. And then bam, you have it right here on top of the notes. And then if you take a picture, you can put it on here seamlessly. So it works out so well that, I mean, it has helped my growth so much. And I would recommend this to any developer coming up in college or after. So in conclusion, I just wanted to make this video before the year ended to talk about my favorite productivity app that has helped me tremendously in my tech career in 2021. And I hope this is beneficial to you. I'm going into the new year and that you can use this. And if you have any other productivity apps that you feel was your favorite, be sure to put it in the comment section below. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Espero que tengas un buen día. Ciao.